Have you ever heard the expression radiation kills?
But does all radiation kill?
Infrared is all around us and you cannot see it with the naked eye.
For example, every time you turn on the TV, you are exposed to infrared radiation.
The infrared that was used in this experiment lies between visible light and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum.
We decided to test if infrared radiation affected the growth and mortality of paramecium.
Infrared can't go through solid objects. This is why we set up the board this way, in 3 sections.
We set up the chemtrace to put the paramecium in. You use a pipette to take the paramecium out and put it in the correct section on the chemtray.
To build the infrared producer, you first need to attach an LED to it. Put the red wire on the longer piece of metal, and the blue wire goes with the shorter piece of metal. Then you tape it to a piece of wood, and then you put a battery in it, and it's ready to use.
The actual project is being set up. The LEDs are being positioned directly over the chemtrays and turned on for 48 hours. Then, after 48 hours, we turned the lights off.
You count the paramecium underneath a microscope and record your data. We recorded all of our data in a logbook. When you look at this graph of the mean average of surviving paramecium, the control group 0 LEDs looks dramatically different from 1 and 5. Is this because of the scale of the graph?
We used the ANOVA statistical method. Our control is statistically different from 1 and 5 LEDs, but 1 LED is not statistically different from 5 LEDs, which means they are just as effective.
The data did not support the hypothesis, and the hypothesis was rejected.